So we would take books and newspapers and put them in the bags and we'd use those as weights. We would lift the coffee table, we would lift the chairs, everything we could get our hands on. Well, when it comes to the disability, sometimes it's difficult because I have my crutch in my hand and holding stuff. It really gets annoying sometimes. Sometimes I drop stuff. That's negative, but at the end of the day, it makes me stronger. I'm working on these crutches every day. I actually literally built my deltoids off of the crutches. I look at guys like Simon Panda, his body, his physique. I think it's amazing. And then Ulysses Jr. He's got these like fantastic abs. The best abs I've ever seen. I want those abs. You know what I mean? And then of course, guys like Mike Rashid. His attitude, he's straightforward, he's very serious. I feel like if I could get to know him, there's so much I could gain from him, to just being with him, being next to him, knowing him. And I'm passionate about motivating people. I feel that a lot of people out here have so many abilities, talents, and gifts and whatnot, but they don't use it because they're either afraid or they don't just not motivated enough to discover themselves. They're trying to be like other people. Not everybody will have the vision. Understand? So sometimes to be successful, you gotta think crazy. And a lot of the times, people are not gonna understand. I'm not gonna understand you. That's nuts. But I'm only successful at what I'm doing right now because I'm crazy enough to think I can do it. So it all starts in the head. So if you can whip it in your head, if you can win the battle in your head, you can whip it anywhere.